The Congress of the Philippines passed the Republic Act number 10173 in 2012, also known as the Data Privacy Act of 2012. Protects individuals from unauthorized processing of personal information that is private, not publicly available, and identifiable.
What is the Data Privacy Act of 2012 is all about? In 2012, comprehensive and strict privacy legislation to protect the fundamental human right of privacy of communicating while ensuring free flow of information to promote innovation and growth.
The Republic Act 10173 is also known as the Data Privacy Act of 2012. 5 years later, the DPA implementing rules and regulation was put in effect on September 9, 2016, thus mandating all companies to comply. The act is a necessary and important precaution in our world economy that's swiftly going digital.
Why was the Data Privacy Act of 2012 implemented? In 2012, the Philippines passed the Data Privacy Act 2012, comprehensive and strict privacy legislation to protect the fundamental human right of privacy, of communication while ensuring free flow of information to promote innovation and growth. The Data Protection Act protects the privacy and integrity of data held on individuals by business and other organizations. The Act ensures that individuals such as customers and employees have access to their data and can correct it if necessary. It is enforced by the Information Commissioner's Office, which has responsibility for overseeing the Freedom of Information Act and the regulation of interception of communications under the Regulation of Investigatory Powers Act of 2000. So in short, Data Privacy Act of 2012 was implemented for the mere reason of having the power of each individual to freely protect and limit the use of their information.
What are the advantages of implementing Data Privacy Act of 2012? So first, it protects people privacy while maintaining free flow of knowledge meant to support innovation and development. Second, regulates the collection, recording, organization, storage, updating, consultation, consolidation of use, blocking personal information, and destruction. Third, it ensures that the Philippines meets the international data collection requirements set via National Commission of Privacy. Fourth, confidentiality of all sensitive details relative to its awareness and proportion. And lastly, data privacy covering transparency, legitimate purpose, proportionally collection, process, retention, and data sharing.
Is or are there disadvantages in Data Privacy Act of 2012? Laws are implemented for the advancement of the economy and the people might as well. But I believe that nothing is perfect. The first experience of disadvantage that I had experienced was I was invited on a government facility, a brigade specifically, and it is an important event of my special summon. And I had the idea to take pictures and videos, but because of this law we were advised not to, so it's so sad. Next is lately I was admitted on a government hospital and I have the thought of taking a picture for an evidence of my absenteeism that day, but sad to say I can't because there was a poster posted there. And the third one is the students are studying on the cyberspace in the new normal. Because of this, we can't just have the data of our classmates easily and we can't contact them easily because of this law.
The Data Privacy Act is broadly applicable to individuals and legal entities that process personal information with some conception. In 2012, the Philippines passed the Data Privacy Act 2012 comprehensiveness and strict privacy legislations to protect the fundamental human right of privacy of communication while ensuring free flow of information to promote innovative and growth. And the research study provide useful insight on the government agency compliance with the DPA 2012 based on the interview conducted with COMELEC, CHED, and NVC. It can be conducted the three functions that somehow influence government agency from hampering their compliance. These are lack of awareness, budget, and time constraining. Additionally, it was in 2016 when the NPC has started doing this awareness campaign. It was only then where it became clear from the government agency about the requirements for the compliance of its accompanying punishment. Furthermore, since the government agency were only given a year to comply, it is limited. This was also influenced by the absence of information system and portal that should have existed a long time ago. It complies with the E-Commerce Act of 2000. With regards to determinants of compliance, deterrence, and legitimacy, where conclude casual factor on why government agency comply with the DPA 2012. That's all. Thank you.